Here's how you can use tags to organize customer tenants throughout Microsoft 365 Lighthouse. To do this, to get started, sign into Lighthouse, click on Tenants. This is where you're able to manage the tags that you will then assign to your customer tenants. So I'll go ahead and click on Manage Tags. As you can see, we've already created a set of tags that we're using within our demo environment. I'm going to create a new one. And this one, I'm actually going to make it Friends of the CEO. So this is one where we're going to tag various customers that have a direct line to our CEO. And as a service desk manager, I might want to keep a more watchful eye of these particular customer tenants. So put in a little description, direct line to our CEO. I also like to include little emojis. I find throughout Lighthouse, you'll see having those little emojis kind of helps identify the tag that we want to work with and brings attention to it a little bit more than just the plain text. So I've added a little CEO emoji beside our Friends of the CEO tag name here. So I'll go ahead, click Save. That creates the new tag. And then next what I want to do is assign our customer tenant. So I'll go ahead and give Consolidated Messenger, uh, Tomo, and also Fourth Coffee. So I'll give Fourth Coffee. So these are the three tenants that have a direct line to our CEO here. So I'll click Save. And now what we have is three customers that all have that tag, Friends of the CEO. So if I go ahead and I just filter on Friends of the CEO here in our tenant list, there's the three tenants: Consolidated Messenger, Fourth Coffee, and Fusion Tomo. What you can see in the tags list, especially ones where it's getting a little long, we can hover over the +2 and see Friends of the CEO. So we're all good here in our tenant list. We're good to go. So now we've grouped these three customers together with this tag. The power kind of comes throughout the rest of the experience of Lighthouse. So if I go ahead and I just click on the home page, you see we have this tenant filter up here in the top corner. And what that means is that all the data that we're looking at on these cards is filtered on all tenants. Now, if I want to go in and zoom in on those set of tenants or the Friends of the CEO, I can click on here and I can say Browse Tags, and then I can select my Friends of the CEO tag right here. And what you'll see is that in the background, these filtered down to just those three tenants that we're working with. I'll do that one more time. I'll clear the filter. You'll see that all the data comes back. So we have across all our customer tenants that we're managing here, 74.4% of tenants are not complete their deployment plans. We have 30 users that are flagged for risk. And then we have 2 of 95 devices that are not compliant. Again, I'll apply that filter so that Friends of the CEO, easy to find because we added that nice little emoji there. Click on that and you'll see it filters down. Now it's down to 67.6, so a lot of work to do, not quite as much as all tenants. We only have 2 users to go look at for flagged risk across these 3 tenants that we've tagged, and all the devices are in a good compliance.